Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure OpenSearch dashboards for API-driven analytics, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your OpenSearch dashboards interface through a web browser. Log in with your credentials to reach the home dashboard. Locate the left-hand menu and click on Stack Management. In the Stack Management section, find the Index Patterns option and click on it. Click on the Create Index Pattern button. Type the name of the index you want to visualize in the Index Pattern field. If you need to configure timestamp settings, select the appropriate time field. Once you set the pattern, click on the Create Index Pattern button to save your configuration. Next, go back to the main menu and click on Visualize. Click on the Create Visualization button. Choose the type of visualization that fits your data needs. Select the index pattern you just created for this visualization. Use the visualization editor to drag and drop the desired fields into the workspace. Customize the settings in the editor according to your analytical requirements. Once satisfied with the visualization, click on the Save button located at the top right. Provide a meaningful name for your visualization and save it. Return to the Dashboard section from the left-hand menu. Click on Create New Dashboard to start a fresh dashboard. Use the Add button to include the saved visualizations into your new dashboard. Arrange your visualizations as required by dragging them to your desired positions. Once arranged, click on the Save button in the dashboard to keep your changes. Name your dashboard appropriately for future reference. Now, to integrate API-driven analytics, navigate back to the Stack Management. Click on Data Sources and select API to set up a new data source. Fill in the necessary fields based on the API you want to connect to, such as URL and authentication details. Press the Add Data Source button once you've filled in all required fields. You can create visualizations based on this API connection as you did with the index patterns. As you build these visualizations, employ the filters and aggregations to fine-tune the data displayed. Regularly save your progress to avoid losing any configuration. After finalizing your dashboard, revisit each visualization to ensure they display the desired information accurately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.